How big are these things anyway? They're similar, I guess, the same size that you would use for the cube system you're going to set up?
I think the cube system is going to be much smaller. They're on the size of like 10 kilogram.
And you need 100 of them. You need 100 of them.
We're looking at 100 of them.
And you set up a network that could look at, look down at the Earth and see an entire area of crops that might be water depleted. Or you could look down at a fracking site and see methane leaking. Or you could look at the oceans. Could you see the plastic building up somewhere in the ocean? You could see whatever you need to see from space. You could see using this, and then if it's measurable, it's fixable. Is that the idea?
Yeah, absolutely, and that is the idea, is to provide that information. So we're essentially, in the simplest terms, I think of it as measuring the Earth, measuring our planet, and the things that are on it and in it, and which then gives us the information not to just locate it, but to manage it. And from the longer-term sustainable, sense of our planet, and from the sense of how do we manage our resources in the most economical way, too.
So how high are these? Low orbit?
Yes, exactly. So they're at low Earth orbit. It's 400 kilometers above the Earth. We're flying above the equatorial plane.
You taking a balloon up there yet? You got about 400 kilometers, didn't you? Did you?
We've done the ballooning that's in the past. Now
how high though? How high? You didn't get 400.
No, I was up to 50,000 feet. But
well, that's stupid anyway. That's just as bad almost. That's crazy.
But what they're both doing is fantastic. I mean, methane leaking. I mean, the damage is something like 20 times worse than carbon. So if she can actually let people know where the methane leaks are taking place, and then stop them. A, it saves the companies money, but B, it saves the environment a lot of damage.
There's a lot of room up there.
And she's also doing lots of wonderful work in the oceans as well. So, and that needs monitoring. I mean, illegal fishing boats, again, something else that can be done.